Now let's learn how to use Linkus on a mobile phone. It can be used on an iPhone or an Android phone, but we are going to use an iPhone for this example. In the App Store or Android's Play Store, search for Yaystar and you will find Linkus in the results. Tap to install, and once it's completed, tap Open to launch. On your first launching, you'll be prompted whether to allow Linkus to access your data and your contacts. Tap Allow to continue. This is your Yaystar Linkus Mobile login screen. This is where we will fill in your Linkus credentials. If you receive the Linkus login email on your computer, you can choose to log in to Linkus via the QR code. Tap the QR code icon in the upper right corner and scan the code to log in. Tap OK to allow the microphone access. If you receive the Linkus login email on your mobile phone, you can also choose to log into Linkus via the link. Copy the link and then open the Linkus mobile client and tap OK to log in. Remember, the QR code and login links are only valid for 24 hours and can only be used once. You can also edit your profile by tapping Me at the bottom right of the screen. Tap Edit to edit the profile. When editing your avatar, you have a choice to choose from an existing photo or take a new one. Let's use this one for example. Be sure to add your name, mobile number and email address, which will be visible to your colleagues. Tap Save and you have successfully edited your personal information on your profile. Let's take a look at the ring strategies by tapping on Settings. Tap Ring Strategy. By default, your desktop phone and your Linkus extension will ring at the same time. You may change the settings according to your needs, but we will keep it as the default here. Please note, the way your phone accepts calls via Linkus depends entirely on the operating system of your mobile phone. In this example, the iPhone accepts calls using its own iPhone interface, though if your phone doesn't support it, it will accept the calls using the Linkus interface. Now let's take a look at extensions on the bottom left. You will see a list of extensions registered on your company's PBX. From here you'll be able to see which of your colleagues are currently available or on a call. You will also be able to tap on each individual extension to see their profile information. If you want to add an extension as a favorite, go ahead and tap the star next to the name. All your favorite contacts will appear in the Favorites tab. You can tap the message icon to send a short message, or you can tap the email button to send an email. If you wish to call the number on the screen, go ahead and tap the dial icon next to the number you wish to dial. During a call, you can mute and unmute yourself, put the call on speaker, track call history, check extensions and contacts. If you tap on hold, the person on the other end will hear the standard PBX hold music. If you wish, you may also record the call. If you wish to listen to your call recordings, tap Me at the bottom right of your screen, then go ahead and tap Recording. Your call recordings are listed by date. From here you are able to listen to each call recording by tapping on the play button. If you want to delete any call recordings, tap on Settings and select Clear Cache. Now let's learn how to transfer calls. Here the middle phone and the right phone are on a call together. Tap Transfer, Results on Hold. In the upper right corner, we can select whether to do an attended transfer or a blind transfer. But we are going to use an attended transfer here. Let's say Abby wants to transfer Brazil's call to Alyssa, and she's extension 1001, and we'll finish with dial. Once Alyssa answers, Abby can find out whether Alyssa can take Brazil's call. If Alyssa says yes, Abby will finish by tapping transfer. And that concludes our Linkus Mobile training session. Thank you so much for joining me. Goodbye and stay safe.